How to open Lloyds Bank account for international students. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is you can go ahead and download the app via the Google Play Store or head over to Lloyds Bank official's site. So once on your Lloyds app's official website, all you have to do from here, so say for example you're currently on home, all you have to do is just change it to international student. Now, for us to be able to open up an account, we need to check if we are eligible first. So once you're here, just go ahead and click on ready to apply. And also you have to make sure that all the requirements, necessary requirements is going to be ready or currently on hand. So all you have to do from here, since we're using the website, then just simply click on continue on the website. From here, there will be a slide pop-up that will come out. So we may need to ask you to take picture of your photographic ID to prove your identity. So example, you can also use your identification card from your current school. So just go ahead and click on continue. And in here, just fill out these necessary forms like are you an existing Lloyds Bank customer? You can answer yes or no. And then, do you already have a UK current account? Say yes. And then in here, if you do have a current UK account, then you have to input your security code or your sort code and as well as your account number. Now, once you have filled out these forms right here, you will now then be redirected to the page in which you'll have to comply and enter all necessary details about the school where you're in. So just that completely fill out those forms and you are good to go. And that's it. That's how you apply for Lloyds Bank account for international students.